So find a vector in the direction of the vector 5I minus j plus 2k, which has a magnitude 8 units here. So therefore take a given vector as a bar here. So 5I minus of j plus 2k. This is a given vector here. Find it's a unit vector here. Therefore find here it's a modulus here. Modulus of a bar is the root of 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square here. Therefore root of 5 square is 25 and minus 1 whole square is 1 here and 2 square is 4. Therefore it gives a root of 30 here. So root of 30. Therefore a cap is equal to a bar divided by modulus of a bar here. So a bar is this vector here. So 5I minus j plus 2k divided by root of 30 here. So square root of 30. It is a unit vector here. Suppose here is a one vector here. A bar is a one vector and a cap is a unit vector here. Means its length is a 1 unit here. So a cap here. Its length is 1 unit. Here we want a vector of magnitude 8 units here. If you multiply 8 to this unit vector, then you will get a vector of magnitude 8 units. So this is 1 unit here. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th here, like this. Okay. So you get a magnitude of 8 units here. First you find a unit vector. Multiply 8 to this unit vector, you will get a vector of magnitude of 8 units. Means its length is 8 times its unit vector here. Therefore required vector of a magnitude 8 units is equal to 8 into a cap here. Here a cap is this one here. Therefore 8 into 5I minus j plus 2k divided by root of 30 here. So this is a required vector of magnitude 8 units here. Even this example also same type here. Here find a vector in the direction of the vector a bar I minus of 2j, which has a magnitude of 7 units here. So first you find its a modulus here. Modulus of a bar is root of 1 square plus minus 2 square here. Therefore root of 1 plus 4, that is equal to root of 5 here. Therefore this equal to, here a bar is I minus of 2j divided by modulus of a bar is root of 5 here. Here required vector of magnitude 7 units is equal to, so 7 into a cap here. 7 into a cap. A cap is this here. Therefore 7 into I minus 2j divided by root of 5. So this is a required result here. So find the direction cosines of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. So you know that directions cosines are cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Therefore here cos of alpha is x divided by r and sin of alpha, cos beta, not sin, cos of beta y divided by r and cos gamma is z divided by r here. Where r is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square here. So these are the direction cosines here. Therefore, suppose the vector in the component form here means x into I plus y into z plus z into k. So the vector in the component form, then find its modulus here. So modulus of r bar. Modulus of r bar simply can write r also. It gives root of so x square plus y square plus z square. Then we find here unit vector in the direction of the vector r bar here. So r cap. R cap gives r bar divided by modulus of r bar here. That is this upon means x into I plus y into z plus z into k divided by here modulus of r bar is the same as r also. So r is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square means the same as that here r. Therefore you can write this one as x divided by r into I plus y divided by r into z plus z divided by r into k. X upon r into I plus y upon r into z plus z upon r into k. Therefore x upon r is a cos of alpha, y upon r is a cos beta, z upon r is a cos gamma. Therefore this is the direction cosines here. L is equal to x upon r and y is equal to m is equal to y divided by r and n is equal to z divided by r. Here L, m and n are the direction cosines here. L, m, n are the direction cosines. So L is equal to x upon r means this one. M is y upon r here, y by r, and n is z upon r, so z upon r. Therefore, if you want the direction cosines, what you find a unit vector? What you find a unit vector? Then you take I, j, k coefficients. Those are itself direction cosines here. Okay. Therefore, in this case, here this is given a vector here. So r bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of r bar is the root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square here. Then the root of 1 square is 1 here, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 here. Root of 14 here, root of 14. Therefore r cap is equal to r bar divided by modulus of r bar here. That is I plus 2j plus 3k divided by root of 14 here. You can write this one as 1 by root of 14 into I plus 2 divided by root of 14 into j plus 3 divided by root of 14 into k. Therefore 1 by root 14 here. Therefore 1 divided by root of 14, comma 2 by root 14, 2 divided by root of 14, comma 3 divided by root of 14 here, 3 divided by root of 14 are required direction cosines here. These are the required direction cosines. You are using this result here. Okay. So in this case, find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points A 1, 2, minus 3 and B into bracket minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from A to B. So therefore these are the given points here. Here A into bracket 1, 2, minus 3 here. B into bracket minus 1, minus 2, 1 with the given points here. With the given points. It's a position vectors are. It's a position vectors are So OA, the vector OA is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. I plus 2j minus 3k, as well as the vector OB is a minus I minus 2j plus k. Therefore, the vector AB is given by OB minus of OA. OB minus OA. So therefore, this equal to minus of I minus of 2j plus k. This over here minus OA is this vector here. So I plus 2j minus of 3k. So take this minus inside here, minus I minus 2j plus k minus I minus 2j plus 3k. So minus I gives a minus of 2i here, minus 2j minus 2j minus 4j, and k plus 3k becomes plus 4k. Plus 4k. Now take 2 common factor here. Therefore 2 keep outside here. Minus I minus 2j plus 2k. So this is vector AB here. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of the vector AB. So write 2 as it is here. 2 is a constant here. Keep as it is. Root of so minus 1 square here plus minus 2 square plus 2 square here. Therefore this is equal to 2 into root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. Therefore 2 into root of 9 here. Square root of 9 is 3. Then 3 2s are 6 here. It is a modulus of AB here. Therefore, unit vector in the direction of the vector AB, unit vector in the direction of AB is equal to the vector AB divided by modulus of AB here. Here AB is this vector here. So 2 into minus I minus 2j plus 2k divided by modulus of AB is 6 here. So it is 6. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are get cancels here. So I can write this one as minus 1 upon 3i minus of 2 upon 3 into j plus 2 divided by 3 into k. Therefore minus 1 upon 3 minus of 2 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 3 are direction cosines here, are the required direction cosines here. So this is the solution. Okay, show that the vectors I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ here. Just take a previous example. First to find the unit vectors here. Okay, let us consider R1 I plus j plus k. Then modulus of R1 is the root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square here. It gives a root of 3 here. Therefore unit vector R cap is R1 divided by modulus of R1 I plus j plus k divided by root of 3 here. So you can write here 1 by root 3 I plus 1 divided by root 3 j plus 1 divided by root 3 here. Hence 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 are the direction cosines here. Therefore, cos of alpha 1 divided by root 3 here. Cos of beta is equal to 1 divided by root 3 and cos gamma is equal to 1 divided by root 3 are the direction cosines here. Or direction cosines of the vector r bar here. Take the cos right hand side here. Therefore, alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3 here. Beta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3 and gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3 here. Take a cos right side here, cos inverse of 1 by root 3 here. So all these are cos inverse 1 by root 3 here. Means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma here. All the angles are equal. Hence the vector is equally inclined to the axis here. Therefore vector r bar is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ because all the angles are equal. Yes, the vector r bar equally inclined means so here this is x axis here, y axis and z axis here, and here is the vector r bar here. So this is alpha here, this angle is a beta and this angle is a gamma here. If these angles are equal, then the vector r bar equally inclined to the axis here. Okay.